Hi everyone and welcome to CodeFriend. In this short Unity tutorial I will show you how to set up a third-person controller in Unity, including the character and camera movement with the 3D model of your choice. And all of that will be ready in less than 5 minutes because we'll be using a free starter asset made by Unity. Let's go. First things first, open Unity. You will need to use the 2020.3 version or greater to follow this tutorial. Once Unity is opened, head up to the first link in the description, which is the asset store page of the package that we'll be using today. Click on the button Add to my asset. The website will then ask you to log into your account or to create one if you don't already have one. Then, once logged, click on the Open in Unity button, which replaced the previous one. The website will then ask the permission to open Unity. Make sure to accept by clicking the Open Unity Editor button. Unity will automatically open the Package Manager window on the asset that we'll need. Click on the bottom right Import button, which will open a new window on which you can again just click Import. After a few seconds, the importation of the asset is finished and the software will ask you to reboot Unity. Click on Yes. Once Unity has reboot, close the Package Manager window and head up to Starter Assets, Third Person Controller, Scenes, and double-click on Playground. With only those few previous steps, we can already press play and enjoy a nice animated third-person controller with movements and camera system. Which is great, but what we want to do now is to replace the default 3D character model by another one that we have created or downloaded somewhere else. For this video, I'll be using a free 3D model from Mixamo. This website owned by Adobe offers hundreds of free animations and rigged characters. If you don't know this site already, I'll suggest that you look into it real fast. But I will probably talk about Mixamo a bit more in one of my next videos, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Anyway, just know that you can basically use any humanoid model as long as it is rigged, which means that the model's skeleton is configured to be animated. Most of the 3D characters that you'll find online and on the asset store are rigged, so you should be okay. Once your 3D model is downloaded, mine is a FBX file, you can directly drag and drop it into Unity. Mixamo's characters need a few tricks to work properly in Unity, but I will be skipping this step because it is not relevant for other 3D models. Now that our character file is in Unity, we can right-click on our player armature in the hierarchy, head up to the prefab submenu and choose Unpack completely. This will allow us to edit the object and his children. You can now open player armature and geometry, and now delete the armature mesh object. Once deleted, you can drag and drop your own character into geometry. Now, this is optional, but if your character has an animator component, you can remove it. We will not be using it anyway. Then head up to the player armature again, and in the animator component, we'll be changing the avatar from armature avatar to the avatar of the character that you just imported. Mine is called prefab avatar, but it has probably another name in your own project. And that's it. Press play and enjoy your customized third-person controller. It should be perfect for any kind of third-person game. The system used by the asset is pretty simple and can be improved easily. If you ever notice a bit of jitter or jerky movement on your camera, it is most likely because of Cinemachine, which is some sort of camera framework used by the asset. You can simply fix it by selecting Player Follow Camera in the hierarchy, and you should be good to go. After some investigations, I've noticed that this bug is only present in the Unity editor, so it won't bother you again in a standalone or a mobile build. And we've reached the end of the video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. This YouTube channel is brand new and I plan to make a lot more tutorials and videos on Unity in the future, so make sure to subscribe if you're into that. A small like on this video is also very much appreciated. My English and more specifically my accent are a bit rusty and I definitely need some practice, but I think this YouTube channel will be perfect for that. This was CodeFriend. See you guys very soon. Cheers.